All right, solar documentary. I lost count, but here's another problem we ran into today. So we're clipping along. These are my solar panels, 2400 watt max capacity. It's averaging around 15 to 1700. I think it's being throttled by the inverter because we don't have enough load. Anyway, so an issue that came up today, I was just looking at the kind of watch power, which is the app that came with the system. It's not the greatest, but you know, it does the job. Now, it indicated that the solar stopped coming in. So I came up here, I was doing some troubleshooting. I killed the connection, and then I was measuring the positive and negative posts, and I was getting nothing. So I disconnected the wires from the box and measured it, and I was getting good voltage. So something happened to where this terminal right here, this channel that we were attached to, for some reason wasn't conveying the power anymore. So I suspect something must have burned out in this channel, on this leftmost channel. Surprisingly, the fuses were intact, so I don't know what happened there. But yeah, so as I find out more, I will report back.